I said no cheating. I know you can cheat.
You said I could. I know you
No, no.
could be.
Perfect. Alright, here's a stick. Got it? Now hold on, I'm going to walk you up to it.
Don't hit Clay.
Keep walking, hold on. Keep it. Right. Now put your stick out there.
Evil. Oh, there you go. There you go.
You got it. Just a little more.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah. 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 Oh. His leg. His leg. Oh. Nice with all the candy falling out of it. I think Clay's having more fun. Is there anything in there?
Golly, there's a ton.
Oh, nice.
I think he's difficult to crack open. Yes. He's just SpongeBob.
Oh, good. Hit.
Oh, there's one.
Oh!
You almost got it.
Oh, nice. Oh! Sweet.
Got candy out of his butt.
Ah, stupid SpongeBob!
Nice.
How about right there? Is that a good height?
Yeah.
Nice. Gee.
Come on, destruction.
This is what he loves to do.
Oh my goodness. Ah! Meredith finds it funny. Whoa! Oh my goodness. You got some good candy.
Whale on.
Oh,
Back. SpongeBob's attacking you, man.
Jeez.
Get that thing out of
Clay, do you want to whack at him?
Put it on the ground, Clay.
How about right here?
Oh.
we want to rip him open.
I think Clay probably wants to hit him.
Oh, we better move all that candy out of the way. Stepping on it.
Watch your head!
Should we remove some of the candy already?
It's all out.
Alright, all done?
Come on.
Like house swing at it.
No, I just. Come on.
Jeez.